My creator client got a brand deal offer the other day and we negotiated it and got top dollar. I thought we'd go through the deal, show you how we negotiate brand deals so that you can use these strategies to maximize your brand deals. All right, so here's the brand deal offer. I redacted certain portions so that I didn't identify the creator client or the brand. It says here, it's from Carla. Hi, I'm Carla from the influencer division from blank, a premium water bottle brand with over 8,000 five-star reviews on Amazon. We recently came across your YouTube channel and enjoy following your journey on blank. We would like to offer you a flat fee for 10 videos, $350 US, plus a bonus commission of 8% per sale from the traffic you drive from your custom link we will provide with you, or if someone were to use your custom promo code. We do have some requirements to fulfill. The first one is brand links at the top of the description. So what you need to do is make sure that in your description for your YouTube video, you have links to this brand, presumably your affiliate links. And then the second one is bottle and brand visible throughout the video. So for every video you're doing, and there's 10 that are required, you have to have the water bottle visible throughout the video. And then the third requirement is that you must mention the brand for 5 out of those 10 videos. It goes on to discuss some bonus type commission structure, earn an additional bonus commission of 8% per sale by sending people through your custom referral code in the sponsored Influencers Plus commission program. Any customer that visits this website through your referral link makes a purchase within 45 days will earn you a commission for that sale. You can track sales on a unique dashboard, and a sale can be generated simply from a user hearing and only your promo code at the checkout, and not through your link, or from a user going through your custom promotion link, or both. And you also get some free gear to top that off. All right, so that's the deal. Basically, the brand is gonna pay the creator $350 plus an 8% commission on water bottles she sells pursuant to her YouTube videos. Now, when I heard this brand deal offer, I thought it was low. I thought we could get more money for the creator. So this particular creator has about 10,000 subscribers and has a decent engagement rate, about 1.5%. And I know from my experience that 2.5% is a decent conversion rate. That is that this particular creator at her level can sell water bottles to 2.5% of her followers. So in this particular case, 2.5% of 10,000 subscribers is 250 water bottles. That means that this creator, I'm estimating, can sell 250 water bottles through her 10 YouTube videos. Now, if the average water bottle price is $35, you can find that by going to Amazon or probably the product's website, then you know that 250 water bottles times 35 equals $87.50. And from that, I expect that what's fair is that a creator earn 10% of what she can sell based upon her YouTube videos. So if her total value, the total value of her advertising on her YouTube channel is $8,750, she should be able to earn through commissions $875. Plus, I always advocate for my YouTube clients that they get a per video fee. I think it's only fair. They're taking some action to create this brand awareness and to sell this water bottle brand. They should get a per video fee. Also, there's another really good reason for that. I'll go into more detail, but really I want to make sure that there is a per video fee in any deal I do like this. Well, what is that fee? Well, how I figure it is I think about what is required by the brand. And in this particular case, the brand doesn't require a lot. Basically, a creator just has to have the water bottle visible in 10 different videos. And then for 5 of them, there has to be a mention of the water bottle. In other words, you have to pick it up and say, oh, this is a great water bottle. It's so cold, it's so tasty, it's so convenient, it's so environmentally aware. So for those 5 videos, you just make those comments. And then in all 10, the water bottle has to be visible. In this particular case, since it's not that big a deal, I'm thinking that $50 per video is a fair fee per video. So if this creator has to make 10 videos, 10 times 50 is $500. So when I'm formulating the negotiation, I'm pricing my creator's value to the water bottle company at about $500 for the per video fee and about $875 for the commission, the 250 bottles that this creator is going to sell for the company. Now, juxtapose this against what the brand is offering, which is $350 plus an 8% commission, which I've figured is about $700. So the differential on that is $325 between my fair deal, which is $1,375, and what the brand is offering, which the total value is $1,050. That difference is $325. And this is the difference that we want to attack. We want to make sure that we get the value as much as possible to be able to get the brand to agree to our terms so that we can get that creator that additional $325. So the negotiation strategy is twofold. I do this for every YouTube brand deal. The first thing is, when a brand offers you a brand deal, it is an invitation for a counter. Never assume that when a brand puts down the terms of the deal that you either have to accept them or you have to reject the deal. No, it's just an invitation to negotiate. So when I always, when creators come to me and say, listen, I need help with a brand deal, I just want to make sure, okay, you understand we're going to ask for more. And we're going to ask for substantially more than we believe is even fair because we know that the brand is going to counter our counter. And so eventually, through the negotiations, we're going to end up somewhere in the middle. But my goal for the creator is to get to the point of fairness for the creator. So I want to make sure that wherever the deal lands, that is fair for that individual YouTube creator. And then the second consideration, which is really important, and I know it sounds a little pessimistic, is a lot of these brand deals are with companies outside of your state, outside of your country. Now, if the brand deal doesn't do what it's supposed to under the contract, you don't have a lot of control. You really can't compel them to come to court. I mean, you technically can, but it costs so much money that it's not worth a $1,300 value brand deal to sue a Swedish company and bring them somehow to the United States to pay back your $1,300. So what does that mean? It doesn't mean you give up. It doesn't mean you don't fight for what you're owed in case you're screwed. But what it does mean is that you build into your brand deal an upfront payment as much as possible so that if something goes wrong, at least you have an initial amount of money which you can offset against the amount it costs you to make those videos. So please, I don't want you to get in a situation where you believe it's all negative and that you're going to be screwed by other brands. Most of the time, there are no problems. But I really want to counsel my creators that they need to be aware of the fact that there is a possibility, however small, that they won't get paid. So a purely commission deal maybe sounds better, maybe overall you could make more money, but the bottom line is if you sell 250 water bottles and you don't get paid, then that's not a good deal. So considering those two considerations and considering the fact that the brand is probably not going to accept our counter, we're going to have to negotiate off of that. My counter for this particular creator was a $750 fee plus an 11% commission. Now, we could talk about it later in another video about how I arrived at that 11% commission. It has to do with splitting the difference and doing a calculation there. But the bottom line is we're going to ask for more. I think that this deal adds up to more than the creator is entitled to because we know that brand is going to come back with a lesser deal. And of course, the brand did come back with a lesser deal. The deal value that the brand came back with was $600 fee plus a 9% commission. So they actually went up substantially on the initial fee and they only went up 1% on the commission. So if the brand deal was $600 plus 9%, I calculated the total value of the deal, $600 plus $787.50, which is the 9% of the total bottles sold. And that came out to be $1,387.50, and that is the deal we took. Now let's compare that about how I valued a fair deal in the beginning. Remember, I was valuing it at $500 fee plus an $875 commission, which added up to $1,375. Well, the deal that was accepted by the creator that we negotiated actually was $1,387.50. So not that much, but Through our negotiations, we were able to get the creator not only a fair deal, substantially above what the brand initially offered, but also $12.50 above that. So when I talked to the creator, we thought this was fair enough for the work required, which was not much, and we got this deal done. All in all, this deal was great for the creator and the brand. We worked cooperatively together to be able to arrive at a fair value for the creator's work. Now, if you get a brand deal and need help negotiating it, don't hesitate to go to iancorzine.com, set up a consult, and we can work together to negotiate a counter to the brand's initial offer that's going to give you fair value and hopefully more. For more on brand deals and how to negotiate maximum value from them, watch the next few videos. I'm Ian Corzine, your social media lawyer, and I'll see you next time.